Hello students, in my previous video I have explained the rational number, all the properties of rational number. So now I am going to solve some questions based on addition and subtraction of rational numbers. So let's start with the question, and you all also requested to take out your copy and pen. As I am writing the question, start solving, check the speed and the accuracy. Okay, now let's start with question number 1. Evaluate. The question is evaluate, and the question is 4 by 7 plus 0 plus minus 8 by 9 plus minus 13 by 7 and plus 17 by 9. This is the question. Okay, you have to solve it. How we will solve this question? Here positive numbers are also, 0 is also there, negative numbers are also here. Okay, so first what we will do? So first what we will write here, we will write in a simplified form. First we will write in simplified form. So 4 by 7, this 0 we can delete. It is not necessary to mention this 0 again and again. Okay, so 4 by 7, then plus and minus, clear, plus and minus, minus 8 by 9, then minus 13 by 7, then plus 17 by 9, clear. So 0 you can delete, then plus and minus, minus, here also plus and minus, minus, so we will write it like this first, okay, and then we will start the process. So what we will do, we will take out first the LCM. So LCM of 7, 9, 7, 9, it is given. So LCM will be what? Yes, LCM will be 63. Okay. So what we will do, first we will write the LCM 63. Okay, then how many times? 7 9s are. So here we can write 9 into 4, 36, minus 9 into 9 7s are 63, and 8 into 7, 56. Then minus 7 9s are 63, and 13 9s are 117. Then 9 7s are and 17 7s are, so you can multiply here, 17 7s are 119. This also you can check, 13 into 9. Whenever you get, when you are confirmed, you have learned the table, but still once again you can check it. We got it here 170. Okay, now so 36 and 119 and 36, 155, minus, then 3, then 5 and 1 6 and 1 7 and 1. Once again check, 6 and 3 13, 3, 5, 6, 1, 7 and 1, and this is divided by what? 63. So when you subtract, what will you get here? Here, so you will get what? I am rubbing it here. 18 or 18. So 18 by 63 and minus. Okay. 9 minus 2 by 7. 9 2s are 18. Clear? 9 2s are 18 and 9 7s are 63. So minus 2 by 7 is the answer. Like this you can solve. Okay. Now next question. Because in maths when you solve more questions, your concept becomes more and more clear. So let's do the next question. Next is minus 8 by 9 plus minus 5 by 12. Okay. When you get this type of question, how will you solve it? So 9 and 12. Take out the LCM of 9 and 12. 36. 36. 9 fours are and 8 fours are minus 32. Again plus and minus. Minus how many times? 3 times. 5 threes are 15. Both the number is with the minus sign. So what? Minus we will do the addition. When both the number is same, in case of addition and subtraction, when both the numbers with the same sign, we do the addition. Clear? And which sign we put? We put the sign that is dominating there. So 7 by 36. Minus 47 by 36. And minus 47 by 36 is not divisible by any common number. Means there is no common factor of 47 and 36. So this will remain like this. Okay. Now let's do the next question. Minus 2 by 7 minus 3 by minus 14. Okay. So how we can write it? We can write in simplified form minus 2 by 7 minus minus plus 3 by 14. So here it will be what? 14. 7 2s are 14 and 2 2s are 4 plus how many times? 1 and 3. So this will be what? Minus 1 by 14. So the answer will be what? Minus 1 by 14. It is very clear. You can write here plus. Okay. So LCM of 7 and 14 is 14. 7 2s are 2 2s are 4. 14 14 1. 3 into 1 3 minus 1 by 14, because this minus sign is what? Greater than the plus sign. Okay. Now let's do the next question. Subtract. Subtract minus 5 by 8 from minus 13 by 16. Okay? This is the question. So from minus 13 by 16. Clear? It is written from. From means that part we will write first. So minus 13 by 16 minus what? Minus 5 by 8. So minus 13 by 16 minus minus plus 5 by 8. Take out the LCM. LCM of 16 and 8 will be what? 16. Okay. So how many times? 1. So minus 13 and 10. So this will be what? Minus 3 by 16 answer. Okay. So answer will be what? Minus 3 by 16. Okay. I think now you can solve questions like this. Yes, it is very easy. What is the basic concept? Sign. You have to be very careful when you are handling with the different sign. And from. From means what? First you have to write this part. This part you have to write first. Okay. Now next. Let's do the next question. the sum of two rational numbers is, the question is the sum of two rational numbers is 9/20. If one of them is is 2/5, find the other. Find the other. Clear? The sum of two rational numbers is 9/2. If one of them is 2/5, find the other. Let the other number be x. Okay, so x plus 2/5, because it is given sum of 2, so x plus 2/5 is what? 9/20. Like this we can write the equation according to the question. Okay, and then you can solve it. So how will you solve? It will be x is equal to 9/20 minus, this will come this side, so 2/5, and so LCM will be 29 minus 5 4s are 20, 4 2s are 8, so answer will be what? 1/20. We'll get the answer. What answer you will get here? 1/20. It is not difficult, it is very easy. What you have to do first, according to the question, you have to write the equation. Clear? And the number which is unknown, that you have to assume what? X. Okay? Now next. Which rational number should be added to minus 7/8 to get 5/9. This is the question. Which rational number should be added to this one to get 5/9? Which rational number? Don't know. Let the rational number be is what? X. So just suppose what? X. What you will write? Write the equation. X should be added to minus 5/8 to get 5/9. Ekdam say as it is given, you write the equation and you say that which number should be added. Then x number should be added to minus 7/8 to get is equal to sin 5/9, and then solve it. So x minus 7/8 equal to 5/9. Okay, and so you can write here x is equal to what? Then x is equal to 5/9. This will come this side, it will become plus 7/8. So when you solve it, x will be equal to what? X will be equal to LCM 9 8s are 8 5s are 40 plus 9 7s are 63, 103/72. 103/72. This will be the answer. 103/72 is the answer. I think now the process is clear. How you can write the equation. This is very important. And after writing the equation, you know the process how to solve it. Okay. Now let's do the next question. which rational number should be subtracted? Which rational number should be subtracted from minus 5 by 6? Minus 5 by 6 to get 4 by 9. Okay? Which rational number should be subtracted from? Which rational number should be subtracted from? From means what? That part you have to write first. And which rational number? Don't know. Let it be x. Okay? So let the rational number is what? X. So according to the question, write the equation. First write minus 5 by 6 minus x is equal to minus 5 by 6. So always try to write this unknown factor, unknown number in the positive form. So how you can write this in positive form? Change the sign. I have discussed earlier also. Side change. Yes, side change, sign change. So we can write minus 5 by 6. This will come this side, it will become plus, and this will come this side, it will become positive, plus x. Now this is what? Of course, this is plus 5 by 6. This is minus 5 by 6. This is plus 5 by 6. Cancel. So x is equal to what? 0. Okay? So here you get what? X is 0. Clear? Just a minute. Just a minute. What is different here? By mistake I have written minus 5 by 6 here. But it is not here. Yes, this mistake. This is the mistake generally we do. So be careful. When you are solving maths, no harbadi. When there is a harbadi, there will be a garbadi. Okay? So 4 by 9. Here you write what? 4 by 9. So minus 5 by 6 minus 4 by 9 and then plus x. Okay? So now LCM, take out LCM 54, 6 9s are, and then here 45, then 9 6s are and 6 4s are. Okay? Then minus 5 4 9 and 5 and 2 6 minus 9 by 54. You can cancel it because the common factor of 69 and 54 is what? 3. Yes. So we can divide both the number by which number? 3. So we can write 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3, 2 here, 3 8s are 24. So final answer it will be what? Minus 23 by 8. Okay? No problem? Yes. Now I think you can solve. Let's do one more question. Here also I am going to explain about the subtraction, but the sign will be different.
Hey, guys, an important message or notice that I want to convey to you all. I am surprised to see that approximately 55% of the students who are watching my lectures aren't subscribed to our channel. Children, I humbly request you to subscribe to the channel, as the benefits lies to you all only because by subscribing to the channel I come to know the lovely response from your side, which motivates me to make more videos which are beneficial for you. Moreover, it boosts my confidence and thus helps me to come up with more beneficial ideas of teaching for you all, which will help you all to study well for various exams. So I humbly request you all to please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.
Now let's do the next question. Clear? This is also based on subtraction, but you will get the number different and you will get the sign different. Clear? So let's do it. The question is, what should be subtracted from what should be subtracted from minus 2 to get 3 by 8. Clear? This is the question. What should be subtracted from? No, the question is what should be subtracted from minus 2? Means what? First what we will write? Minus 2. And what should be subtracted? X should be subtracted. Because we don't know. So when you don't know any quantity, assume it what? X. Clear? So X. So how will write the equation? Minus 2 minus X 3 by 8. Clear? Here you are not getting what is different here from, means how this question is different from the previous one. Here you are getting what is written here? Minus 2. It is not given in the form of a fraction. Okay. So minus means my X is subtracted from minus 2 to get 3 by 8. You have to find out the value of what? X. Solve it. So again you will make this X what? Positive. How will you make this X positive? Change the side. Yes. Side change, sign change. So we can write minus 2 minus 3 by 8 is equal to X. So here it will be what? 8. Here we can write 1. So minus 16 minus 3 and minus 16 and minus 3 is what? Minus 19. So here you can write X is equal to minus 19. So your final answer will be what? Minus 19 by 8. So all different types of questions based on addition and subtraction of rational number I have done. Clear? Whichever book you want to follow, whichever book you want to solve, you can solve. In all, the basic concept is what? Same. Means in all you have to apply the same basic concept that I have given in my previous video. And some questions I have solved here, clear? That will help you to apply the basic concept. I hope all the questions that I have solved in this video have become very clear to you. Clear? And you can solve more and more questions based on addition and subtraction of rational number. Thank you very much.